Hello and welcome back to our series. For today's video, we will talk about protecting your most valuable asset, your time. No-shows are a huge threat to any service business, but with Wix bookings, we can eliminate most of them using automated reminders. Let's get started. On your site's dashboard, go to the left and look for Automations. Go to the App Automations tab, and on the search bar, type in Remind. This is the automation we're looking for. Remind clients about upcoming sessions. Click on three-dot button next to it and select Edit. And here we are on the Automations editor. Here, your automation will automatically be set to 1 day. But if you want to change that, you can do it over here on the left. If you also want to customize your email content, click on Send an email here. Previously, we've talked about how you can customize the email content for your confirmation email. And we've also covered how you need to set up your sender details here. If you haven't, we'll do a quick overview. So make sure to edit your sender details here. And if you do edit that, Wix will send you a code on the email that you put here. Make sure to check your email and put the correct code so you can successfully set up your sender details. Once you have that taken care of, scroll down to the Create an Email section and click on Edit. And this is where you can edit your content. By the way, be careful when editing your content here, as a lot of the content here are dynamic, which means they're automatically applied here or they will automatically show information. Say, for example, the image here is dynamic, so it's going to show the image of the service that your customer booked, as well as the name of the customer, the date they booked, the location, the staff they booked with, etc. So it's very important to take note of that so that you don't accidentally delete any of these information or dynamic elements. If you want, you can just simply edit the title, for example, the text, and you can also change your theme to something that suits your business. And if you want, you can also add a background to your email. So you can use images provided here or you can use your very own image. So just click the plus button, select an image that you want to use, for example, this one, and click on Add to Page, and it'll automatically add it as your background. You can even use colors, solid colors if you want to. So once you're done, make sure to review all of the information that you've input or changed. You can also click on preview and test to see how it's going to look like from the perspective of your receivers. Once everything's all good, click on save and continue, and then click on publish changes. And basically, that's it. Your changes should successfully be published. And that's it for today. We hope you found today's video of help. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe for more Wix tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.